Let's talk about the three things which is distracting you from getting started with your cleaning business. The first thing is hearing things like you need to have uniforms. Let me ask you, if you're subcontracting, why do you need to have your subcontractors wear uniforms? Your clients don't care if your cleaners are wearing uniforms because they are coming there at night. Nobody is there. Take that money, reinvest it in your business. I'll tell you how you can in part three. Number two, office spaces. I work in Starbucks and coffee shops. Why can't you do the same? Why are you spending 500, 600, $7, $700 on the office space that nobody is coming there to? You probably hate going there. You're not meeting anybody there. Why are you going there? Trust me, I did it and I was like, yo, as my teacher would say, don't dodo, don't I'm being done, right? And you're probably doing the same and you're being done too. So you can stop that, right? And lastly, you're on the wrong social media pages. If you are in commercial cleaning, I will encourage you to go on LinkedIn, Google Business, spend that money there. Take that money from the uniforms that you're trying to buy and put it into getting a premium version of LinkedIn. Why? Because you can actually reach your target audience. You can cold email, you can figure out who is the decision maker with what company. Those are the things that matter so that you can reach them, you can target them and reach them and convert them from a cold prospect to a client, right? Those are the things that matter. Getting uniforms, getting office spaces for people who will never come there, and spending your time on TikTok doing certain things. I'm not saying I'm on TikTok. My janitorial coaching hub is on TikTok because that's what our clients are. But right, if you're in the service business, your clients, the decision makers, they're on LinkedIn. Go there and get the premium version, and you see some major success in your cleaning business.